What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. My name is Jason. We just filled up a 2018 Panini Immaculate Collection Collegiate Football Hobby. It's a one-box break, random number block number 3. And this also is a promo break. Pre-KEB is in the break title, so everybody in this break will have an opportunity to win some extra prizes once we fill up breaks and unlock this promo where you have a chance to win some extra prizes. So congrats, guys. Regardless of what happens here, you'll have a chance to win some extra prizes. 10 total spots. Randomize the list of customer names and the numbers. Every spot will get a random number block from 0 all the way to 9. I'm sure most of you guys know how it works, but just in case, if you get randomized as number 3, you'll get all the cards with 3 being the first number next to the dash on the left side. So for example, we pull a card that is 13 out of 99. That will be yours, block 3. 3 of 25, 43 of 49, 93 of 99, and so on. The number 3 block will get that card. All redemptions will go to spot 0. Even if the redemption is a known 101, it will still go to spot 0. And if there is any unnumbered cards, I'm not sure if there is in this Immaculate. We'll also we will randomize that to the group of customers that are in the break. So usually there might be points in here, so obviously that's not a number. So we will randomize that to the group. And then at the end of the break, customers that go hitless, there will be a separate randomizer, and top 3 will win a free pack of football. Yeah, I know. I always just want to put it in there just in case. Yes, Josh, did you get the last 2 spots? It just filled up, so I'm doing the video now. So customers in this break, here's the dice roller. Customers here starting with Rory, Joe P with a couple spots, Ryan with a couple, Miguel with a couple, and then Josh. Nguyen, last spot mojo. And then we got this number 0 through 9. So, dice roll it. We got a 4 and a 5 9 times on the list of customer names and the teams. Oh, it's gonna be mine. 9 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 times, we got Ryan at number 1, and then Josh at the bottom. Last spot mojo, Josh. You got that there. So there you go, 9 times. Now let's go 9 times on the list of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th and final time. After 9 times, 1 at the top, 6 at the bottom. Alright, let's just make this a little bit bigger. And we got Ryan with block number 1. Miguel, you got block 0. Joe P with 9 and 8. Ryan with 2. Josh with 3. Miguel with 5. Rory, you have block 4. Miguel with 7. And Josh, last spot mojo, you got block 6. So, I'll give you guys a minute or so if there is any trades. If not, we'll just rip this open. You know it's not me, man. You gotta treat random.org better. You gotta take her out to eat. You gotta treat her right. But you never know, man. I know, you always say that. What's up, Sheldon? No, but I'm able to get a case of Chrome Hobby and Jumbo, so maybe I'll get some Topps Chrome Baseball. Who knows? Oh, there you go. What's up, Josh? Alright, guys, well, hey, I don't think there's going to be any trades, but in the meantime, we are down to 12 left in a master case of Premier Hockey. You guys want to give that a shot? We're down to 10 in a one-boxer. We're down to 11 and getting the Bruins in Premier Hockey. There's still enough time if you guys want to grab spots in this. I still have that discount code active, so if you want to take advantage and get 10% off, I'll leave it active till the end of my stream at 11 p.m. So if you guys want to grab some spots in something, there you go. We can always rerun another break of this as well. I put another box in the store. But I'm going to close the trade window now then, guys. This. Those damn snakes. Alright, so just in case you missed the randomizing part, your random number blocks are streaming at the bottom. And there you go. Here it is one last time. The way it came out. Last Bomb Mojo Josh, good luck. Block 6. We got 3 boxes left out of the case. Box 2, 3, and 5. So let's quickly just go back to random.org, use the true random number generator. Let's generate a box number from this break. So out of 5, and it is box 4. That's not available, so let's do that again. 1, no, no, yes. Box 2. There you go. These last 2 boxes will be for the last 2 breaks of Immaculate Collegiate Collection Football, which I did put another one in the store. You guys want to run one back? All right. There's the cards right there. And good luck, guys. First card is little Joe Namath. 47 of 49. So block 7 going to Miguel. Next one, we got a dual relic. Anthony Miller and Riley Ferguson. 43 of 99. Block 3 going to Josh. Next one, we have K'Ron Johnson, 36 of 99. Block 6, Last Bomb Mojo Josh. Well, he must be giving those boxes away. And we have a nice glove. Calvin Ridley, that's a nice one. 79 of 92. Nice. Block 9. Going to Joe Pizzo. Alright, we'll put that in a slider box, buddy. I'll go grab one. Or do I have one here? No, I don't. Alright, we have a sick one coming out, guys. I don't know what it's numbered to, though. And it is a dual autograph. Josh Rosen and Jordan Lastly. Look at that. And it is 11 of 25. Spot 1 going to Ryan. Look at that. There you go. Alright, a couple more to go, guys. We have a, what is it? Akram Wadley rookie patch autograph, and that's card 8 of 25. Spot 8 going to Joe Pizzle. Alright, guys, and the last one is a rookie patch autograph out of the University of Southern California. A 3 of 5 Ronald Jones the second. Little Goodyear patch. Block 3 of 5 going to Josh. Look at that. What a beautiful patch. Nice Goodyear patch right there. What a sweet patch. And there you go, guys. That was the break. Wow, that was a really nice box, guys. Ronald Jones out of 5. Little Wadley out of 25. A dual autograph featuring John Rosen. That was out of 25. Little jumbo, a couple relics, Joe Namath, and that nice Calvin Ridley gloves out of 92. So, there were a couple of random number blocks that did go hitless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away a couple of free packs to customers in this break that went hitless with their number block. Let me just quickly open this up. I ran out of, I only have 2 more packs left to score. So what I'll do is I'll make the top pack be a pack of Panini Contenders Draft Picks Football out of a little blaster box. And then packs 2 and 3 will be a Score Football pack, which we haven't actually pulled an autograph or a relic out of that yet. So, and let's quickly just go through the cards really quick. So we had Ryan spot 1. Yes, we know Ryan hit 8. Hold on real quick. So we know this hit. We know 6 hit. 3 hit, 7 hit, 8 hit, 3 good, 1. So just spot 0, 2, 5, and 4. Alright. So we'll do that really quick. So it looks like these are the only numbers that didn't get anything. Spot 0. Spot 2, spot 5, and spot 4. So let's quickly get a new randomizer. Yeah, for sure, man. No, yeah. I'll definitely do that, man. Dice roller. And let's go 0. Oh. Who else is there? 2, 5, and 4. So 2. Alright, so let's quickly randomize this. 4 and a 1, so that is 5 times. Top 3 will get a pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5 times, we got Miguel at number 1, 0, and Rory. There you go, man. Top 3 will get packs right there. So Miguel, you'll get the 1 pack of Panini Contenders Draft Picks Football, and then Miguel's also will get the Score Football pack, and then Rory will get a pack of Score Football as well. So appreciate it, guys. The next box is in the store. If you guys want to run one back, we can always do that. Kings League breaks. See you guys.